Check, 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 check.
Orderly.
I was curious if I could register a domain name.
It is pigsfarminc.com.
Radical! Pig Farm Inc. rolling. If you got the worst tattoo in the world, we're gonna pay to get it removed, and then we're gonna get it on our bodies so it'll live forever.
Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Pigfarminc.com. Action figures, stickers, all that.
I had many of opportunities to get really bad tattoos.
Wham! You got Pig Farm.
So at the end of it, you'll have a collection of the worst possible tattoos.
Not cool, man.
Okay.
I mean, I feel for the chick with dicks on their stomach. I mean, fuck. But on the other hand, it's like, what would you do? The mustache peeled away and left me with 2 giant sperms on my finger.